Hi friends. Welcome back to our worldwide channel. Today we are going to look at the 15 animals that change color. There are several creatures that can change colors as a form of camouflage, but animals can alter their hues for other reasons as well. From reptiles to insects to mammals, these are some of the many animals that are capable of changing their color. There are many reasons they will use color change. These include survival, thermoregulation, UV protection, mating, communication, and aposematism. Let's see the 15 color-changing animals and why are they changing color. 15th Octopus. Octopuses are fascinating creatures known for their remarkable ability to change color and texture. They achieve this through specialized skin cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments and can expand or contract to create different patterns and hues. This color-changing ability allows octopuses to camouflage themselves in their surroundings, communicate with each other, and even express their emotions. It's a remarkable adaptation that showcases their incredible biological complexity. 14th Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are known for their vibrant and iridescent plumage, which appears to change color when viewed from different angles due to structural coloration. Unlike octopuses, hummingbirds don't possess the ability to actively change the color of their feathers. Instead, their colors are created by the microscopic structure of their feathers, which refracts and reflects light to produce the dazzling array of colors we see. This structural coloration is responsible for the hummingbird's shimmering appearance and adds to their beauty. 13th Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish, like octopuses, are also renowned for their incredible color-changing abilities. They use specialized skin cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores to change both the color and texture of their skin. By expanding or contracting these cells, cuttlefish can create a wide range of patterns and hues. This remarkable skill is used for camouflage, communication, hunting, and mating displays. The rapid and intricate color changes of cuttlefish make them one of the most impressive masters of disguise and communication in the animal kingdom. 12th Arctic Fox. Arctic foxes experience a phenomenon known as seasonal camouflage, where their fur changes color with the changing seasons. In summer, their fur is brown or gray to blend in with the tundra's rocky terrain, while in winter, it turns white to match the snow-covered environment. This color change helps them remain concealed from predators and effectively hunt for prey. While not as complex as the active color-changing abilities of creatures like octopuses and cuttlefish, the Arctic fox's adaptation is a survival strategy that allows them to thrive in their harsh habitat. 11th Hare. Hares, like Arctic foxes, also exhibit seasonal camouflage through fur color changes. In many species of hares, their fur becomes lighter during the winter months to blend in with the snowy surroundings. This adaptation helps them avoid predators while foraging for food or staying hidden in their environment. While the color change in hares is not as dynamic or intricate as that of creatures like octopuses or cuttlefish, it's a vital survival strategy that allows them to better survive and thrive in their habitats. 10th Flounder. Flounders are flatfish that are known for their incredible ability to change color and mimic their surroundings. They have the ability to alter the coloration and patterns on their skin to match the substrate they are resting on, effectively camouflaging themselves from predators and prey. This camouflage is achieved through specialized skin cells, similar to chromatophores, that allow them to adjust their appearance in response to changes in their environment. Flounders' color-changing ability is crucial for their survival, as it helps them both hide from predators and ambush their own prey. 9th Bearded Dragon. Bearded dragons, a popular type of pet reptile, can change their color to some extent, although their color-changing abilities are not as pronounced as those of chameleons. For example, they can adjust their color intensity based on factors like temperature, mood, and lighting conditions. For instance, a bearded dragon might darken its color when it's cold to absorb more heat, or it might show brighter colors when it's basking or feeling active. However, their color-changing abilities are generally limited to variations in shades rather than a complete change of color like some other reptiles. It's a fascinating aspect of their behavior and adaptation to their environment. 8th, tree frog. Tree frogs, especially species like the red-eyed tree frog, are renowned for their impressive color-changing abilities. Like chameleons, they have specialized skin cells, called chromatophores, that allow them to change color rapidly. These frogs can adjust their skin color to match their surroundings or communicate with other frogs. Their color changes are often linked to various factors, including light conditions, temperature, humidity, and their emotional state. They can become darker to absorb more heat, become brighter to signal aggression or attract mates, and even display vibrant colors to deter predators by indicating their toxicity. Tree frogs' color-changing capabilities are not only a fascinating adaptation but also a critical aspect of their survival and behavior. 7th, seahorse. Seahorses, unlike many of the other animals mentioned, don't possess the same level of active color-changing ability. They generally have a limited ability to change color, which is often more subtle and less pronounced compared to creatures like chameleons or octopuses. However, seahorses do have some control over their skin coloration to a certain extent. They can adjust their color slightly in response to changes in their environment or mood. While their color changes might not be as dramatic or complex, seahorses are still fascinating creatures with unique characteristics, such as their prehensile tail, bony armor, and the fact that males carry and give birth to their offspring. 6th, turtle beetle. Tortoise beetles, also known as turtle beetles, are a group of beetles that are famous for their fascinating color-changing behavior. These beetles have a specialized ability to change the angle of their cuticle, the outer layer of their exoskeleton, which affects the way light is reflected. By changing the angle of their cuticle, they can manipulate the colors they appear to be, creating an iridescent effect. This adaptation serves multiple purposes, including camouflage, communication, and deterring predators. Tortoise beetles can appear to change from bright and metallic to dull and inconspicuous, helping them blend into their surroundings or intimidate potential threats. This unique color-changing ability is a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity and the diverse ways organisms have evolved to survive in their environments. 5th, squids. Squids, similar to octopuses and cuttlefish, possess the remarkable ability to change color and patterns on their skin. They have specialized cells called chromatophores that contain pigments and are surrounded by muscles. By contracting or relaxing these muscles, squids can expand or contract the chromatophores, allowing them to rapidly change the color, pattern, and even texture of their skin. Squids use this color-changing ability for various purposes, such as camouflage, communication, hunting, and mating displays. They can blend into their surroundings to hide from predators or ambush prey, display warning colors to deter threats, and even create intricate patterns to communicate with other squids. This adaptive trait showcases the incredible complexity of cephalopods and their mastery of visual communication in the underwater world. 4th, Carolina anoles. Carolina anoles, also known as green anoles, are small lizards native to the southeastern United States. While they don't have the same advanced color-changing abilities as chameleons, they can still display some color variation. Carolina anoles are known to change color primarily based on their mood, temperature, and social interactions. When they're relaxed and basking in the sun, they might appear brighter and greener. However, if they're stressed, threatened, or feeling territorial, they might darken their color to brown or even black. Their color changes are often more subtle compared to other reptiles, but they still offer a way for the lizards to communicate with each other and adapt to their environment. 3rd, ptarmigan. Ptarmigans are bird species found in cold northern regions. They are known for their remarkable seasonal camouflage adaptation. During the winter, ptarmigans have predominantly white plumage that helps them blend into the snowy landscape, providing them with effective camouflage from predators. As the seasons change, their feathers molt, and during the warmer months, they sport brown or mottled plumage to match their surroundings. This color-changing ability is a survival strategy that helps ptarmigans remain inconspicuous in their environment and avoid predators year-round. It showcases their remarkable adaptation to the changing conditions of their habitat. 2nd, yellow crab spider. The yellow crab spider, scientifically known as Thomisus spp, is a type of spider that belongs to the family Thomisidae. These spiders are often recognized for their ability to change color to match the flowers on which they sit in order to ambush prey. Yellow crab spiders do not possess the same type of specialized cells as chameleons or octopuses, but they can alter their coloration by secreting a liquid pigment into the outer layers of their cuticle. This allows them to change color over a period of several days to match the color of the flower they are sitting on. Their color-changing ability serves as a form of camouflage, allowing them to hide in plain sight from unsuspecting insects that come to the flowers for nectar. This camouflage enables the yellow crab spider to ambush its prey with a surprise attack. First, Jackson chameleon. The Jackson's chameleon is a species of chameleon that is well known for its remarkable color-changing abilities. Like other chameleons, Jackson's chameleons have specialized skin cells called chromatophores that contain pigments. These chromatophores can expand or contract, allowing the chameleon to display a wide range of colors and patterns. Jackson's chameleons change color for several reasons, including regulating body temperature, communicating with other chameleons, and responding to their environment. Their color changes can reflect their mood, social status, and even health. For instance, they might become darker when they're cold to absorb more heat from the sun, or they might display brighter colors to signal aggression or attract a mate. Their ability to change color is a fascinating adaptation that showcases their connection to their surroundings and their capacity to communicate